Okay, rice cake machine SYP5804 triangle. SYP5804T. Titanium Coated Mould. CE certified and switch box option for Italy. Right. Very crispy. Right. Very crispy. Okay, the temperature 230. The 4 switches is operation. It's a heater and pump and automatic operation and manually movement of the mold. And 3 dial controllers. The speed 4.7, thickness 00, and depth of core is 2.5 as the first setting. And pressure. Around 80 for this machine. After check what set the pressure gauge, you had better close the pressure gauge. Emergency button here. Alright. Okay, the standard cylinder. Below that, the pressure support valve below the cylinder. And 3 solenoid valves to provide the electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the cylinder movement. Right. And 3-phase motor and pump. Oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. There's white rice and brown rice mix. And feeding plate. When the feeding plate go forward, the clock sensor red light is turned off. It's come back to the end is turned on again, otherwise you cannot go to the next step. 2 springs is bring back feeding plates. It's driver motor and gear head to put the feeding blade forward. It's filled oil valve here and check valve and relief valve. Valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the wrench, related the wrench and turn clockwise, increase pressure. On clockwise, decrease pressure. Just around the valves here. Motor and oil tank. Alright, and okay, it's a control box here. It's an inverter. It's a 60 Hz here. Reset button also. And SSR is to keep the temperature stable, and breaker and contactor. It's a relays on PCB brain of this machine. And oil tank, 20 liters of hydrogen oil inside.